Hello, my name's Keith Jarvis. I'm a 23-year Royal Artillery Army veteran that has used the Southampton drop-in centre, run and managed by Colin and Tracy Gaylor for the last 3 years. As part of my own life and therapy, I create reclaimed woodwork, which I found allows me to relax, whilst at the same time being able to sell items and raise funds for the centre. Last year, before the changes due to the pandemic, Colin brought to the centre Woodturner, Keith Greenfield, Scott Grant to show their skills at woodturning and pen making to our veterans. It was clear from these sessions that a lot was gained by the veterans that participated. Not only the social interaction, but the act of learning new skills and discovering that we had some of our own skills that could be shared amongst us.
Hi, I'm Jackie and I'm a veteran of the Royal Navy and a member of Southampton Veterans Drop-In Centre. Having the workshop on site be really good because it enabled us to learn new skills, things that you never thought you could do or even attempt to do. It also improves one's confidence and self-esteem and at the same time improves mental health. It also brings veterans of all services together and volunteers to have a good laugh, a bit of banter, a bit of fun, but come away with something that they've achieved and made. An example is this I made before lockdown, the first lockdown, and I surprised myself because I didn't think I could do it, but with the help and support, this is what I achieved and I felt very proud of it. I think also having the workshop, again, it reduces isolation. So for me, it's invaluable and it's important to have this resource. So thank you.
Then we quickly came to find that woodworking is definitely not meant for the art room. The clean-up took him almost as long as the sessions. So we started a discussion about having our own woodworking shop. We have been privileged that the Aswas radio station chose the Southampton Veterans Drop-In Centre as a recipient of the funds raised by their virtual bike ride, and incredibly have raised just over £1,000. This amazing donation will be put towards the purchase of our workshop. Not only will this give us the best environment to meet and create new projects, we can also use this time to create products that we could sell through various avenues, all the profits going back towards the running of the centre. So thank you to Aswa Radio and to the many people that helped raising the money. I know we will put it to good use and support many people along the way.